Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a Pokemon Go spoofer on both iOS and Android devices. This method is super easy and doesn't involve any complicated steps like jailbreaking. All you need to do is watch this video and follow each step. So, let's dive in. First, I'll open the app. As you can see, there's a joystick that lets me move around the map. This makes it incredibly easy to navigate the game without physically moving. You can even change your movement speed, which is great for covering more ground quickly or taking your time in specific areas. Another fantastic feature is the map, which allows you to teleport to any location in the world. The map highlights hotspots, showing you the best places globally to catch rare Pokemon. This means you can jump from one part of the world to another in seconds, finding the best spots without any hassle. While I don't want to make this video too long, I can tell you that there are many other features. The best part is that this spoofer is available on iOS devices, just like my iPhone, as well as on Android. So if you want to get this amazing tool on your device, keep watching the video. I'll guide you through every step to make sure you can set it up easily and start enjoying all these features. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this incredible way to play Pokemon Go. Let's get started. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. First, head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that background app refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called rocketmods.com. Rocketmods is a website where you can find many apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for Pokemon Go and click on it. Here you will see some information about the app. To start the download, click on the green button and wait some time for the installation to finish. However, there is one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step may vary depending on your device model and operating system, and usually involves some pretty simple steps. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a video tutorial on how to complete it. Just follow the instructions, and you should be fine. Once you complete it, you will have the spoofer on your device. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.